Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 26. The angles of a polygon are given by x, 2x, 3x, 4x and 5x respectively. Find the value of x. Now looking at this, the number of angles simply suggests the number of sides of this polygon. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this polygon is a pentagon. It has what? 5 sides. Now sum of interior angle of a pentagon will be given as 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180, and that is equals to 3 multiplied by 180, which is equal to 540 degree. So that means when we sum up all the interior angles of this polygon, it will give us 540 degree. So we can now say that x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equals to 540 degree. So therefore 15x is equals to 540. Now x is equals to 540 all over 15, and that is equals to 36 degree. So x is equals to what? 36 degree, which is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.